So I guess we may be getting a new microwave. This one, like we said, is extremely old. But it still works. But as you can see, it's made in 1994. And it has gotten some rust. You can't really see it under the plate right there. Oh, there's a hair. But there's the, yeah, you can kind of see it. The rust under there. But yeah, stepdad needs it for the pizza place. I'm pretty sure he's gonna take ours and then have the new one for here, I guess, by the sounds of it, yeah. Because he doesn't want to use a new one for the pizza place since it's gonna get ruined really quick. So I'm pretty sure he's taking this one. Like he took the freezer. That's why this is here instead of the freezer that used to be here. What are you doing? I thought Mookie was going to do something that's funny. Mookie. I put Mookie in the chair and she walked right over. So there's the microwave box anyway. Here is the new microwave. Look at that thing. Wow.
Ours was 22 years old.
It said on here before I did the clock, welcome to Panasonic.
You know,
Look how
I think we did
huge.
pretty good, Tom.
Yeah.
22 years. I haven't had a new microwave.
Look how huge that is.
And if somebody messes it up, I'm going to kill them.
How many gallons of milk do you think can fit in there?
Cool. I don't
5
know,
or
but when
6.
I get cold, I'm going in there too.
If you can't tell by the camera,
It's clean. That's the way I want it kept.
okay, there's my hand. But if you can't tell on the camera, you could actually fit a turkey and a half in there. And it would actually fit. Don't ever microwave a turkey, but it would fit.
It says you can, but
Are you sure?
they get dry.
I thought they explode. Last time.
Right in the microwave book, it says you can do turkey in the microwave. It gets all dried out.
I don't think they can hear you because that air conditioner. So you gotta talk louder. Oh yeah, 1250 watts. I think the other one was 1100. That's like industrial level microwave. It's freaking huge. Well, that's probably it for today. I did record doing the leaves and stuff out there, but I didn't finish fully, so I don't know if I actually want to add that in today's video or not, because I never actually showed the end part either. So that's probably next day's video, or the next day, because tomorrow is hair appointment. Something else. What else? Hair. Oh yeah, she has to get the x-ray disc that she had. And then I need to ask the doctor something for a blood test. And I don't know how long we're going to be, but If it doesn't take long, then I'll finish the leaves tomorrow. No, I won't. Never mind, because it's thunderstorms tomorrow. 80%. The chance lowered to 50%, but it still says it's going to happen, so I don't know why it doesn't say 100. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.